How many books are there? How much sugar should I add? How much water does this plant need? How many cupcakes do we have? How much milk is left? How many fish are swimming in there? How many apples can I buy? How much money do I need for the toy? How many birds are flying? How much homework do we have today? How many pencils do you have in your case? How much salt do we need for the recipe? How much oil is in the bottle? How many chairs are in the classroom? How much snow fell last night? How much butter should I spread on the bread? How many photos did you take? How much juice is in the glass? How many steps did you walk today? How many cookies are on the plate? Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribe and click notification if you like this contents.